The mood in markets has turned defensive. Here is what is behind the move and what to watch next. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into Brent Crude. Brent Crude plunged to $83.51 per barrel, a move of minus 7.33% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $81.85 and $84.65. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. This comes as NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise, oil tumbles on Iran relief hopes, YPLTR, Barber, SLR, SPCX, USO are in focus, stock twits, adding pressure to energy markets. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise, oil tumbles on Iran relief hopes, YPLTR, Barber, SLR, SPCX, USO are in focus, stock twits. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE, TradeStation. Traders are reacting to news that NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise, oil tumbles on Iran relief hopes, YPLTR, Barber, SLR, SPCX, USO are in focus, stock twits. Meanwhile, WTI crude made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.44% to $80.06. This comes as NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise, oil tumbles on Iran relief hopes, YPLTR, Barber, SLR, SPCX, USO are in focus, stock twits, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading higher by plus 0.98%, at $2.77. Traders are reacting to news that NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise, oil tumbles on Iran relief hopes, YPLTR, Barber, SLR, SPCX, USO are in focus, stock twits. Meanwhile, gold is up plus 1.53%, trading at $4,110.90. The gold move is partly driven by gold traders watch two key catalysts, the Middle East and the Federal Reserve investing live. Coming back to Brent Crude. Bears are firmly in control of the near-term narrative. Watch for key support levels, a break below could accelerate the decline. Risk management is critical in this environment. Here is our near-term analytical view on Brent Crude. The technical picture for Brent Crude has deteriorated. The $78.50 level will be critical to monitor, it represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on OPEC Plus output decisions and US inventory data. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment, drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is our deep dive on Brent Crude. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.